Welcome to another video of detailed math solutions. In this video, I'm going to write step by step how to find the equivalent polynomial of each binomial square displayed on the screen. To solve these exercises, I'm going to use the formula for binomial square. A minus b in parentheses squared equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. In the first binomial, the number 0.1 corresponds to the a in the formula, and the variable x corresponds to the b in the formula. Therefore, this equals to 0.1 squared minus 2 times 0.1 multiplied by x plus x squared. And when I calculate this further, this equals to 0.01 minus 0.2x plus x squared. And when I write it in a standard form, this equals to x squared minus 0.2x plus 0.01. Y minus 0.3 in parentheses squared. When I apply the formula, again, I get y squared minus 2 times y multiplied by 0.3 plus 0.3 squared. Or this equals to y squared minus 0.6y plus 0.09. Next exercise, c minus 0.5 in parentheses squared. This equals to c squared minus 2 times c multiplied by 0.5 plus 0.5 squared. Or this equals to c squared minus c plus 0.25. And lastly, 0.4 minus d in parentheses squared equals to 0.4 squared minus 2 times 0.4 d plus d squared. Or this equals to 0.16 minus 0.8 d plus d squared. And when I write this in a standard form, this equals to d squared minus 0.8 d plus 0.16. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'm thrilled that you joined me and look forward to sharing my other videos. Please click on any video displayed on the screen to see more detailed math solutions.